introduce the 6 local SEO business strategies and how to identify them. When someone approaches you and is interested in conducting a local SEO strategy, you'll want to have the ability to quickly identify which of these strategies is appropriate for that business. So let's go ahead and take a look. There are 6 local business models: single brick and mortar, multi-location brick and mortar, multi-practice, service area with 1 location, service area with multiple locations, and home-based businesses. These 3, the single brick and mortar, multi-location brick and mortar, and multi-practice, these are 3 brick and mortar variants. They all have a physical location where the business value is created, and they have a unique challenge. They tend to be they have the most opportunity when it comes to local SEO. However, they often are constrained by proximity. And proximity is one of the challenges that is faced by most local businesses, but is more acute with these brick and mortar types of businesses. Service area single and service area multiple, as the names would imply, are both service area variants. That is, delivery companies and other companies like that have a service area that service a large geographic area, but that have a physical location that's located in obviously one town or one location, or if they have multiple locations, multiple. There's challenges associated with that need to be understood. And then, of course, home-based businesses are sort of their own particular challenge, which is related to the nature of having somebody who runs a business out of their home and has certain concerns associated with that.